Many people start their day with a morning routine that includes drinking coffee. It's a wake-up ritual around the world. However, few realize that this daily habit, especially when consumed in large amounts, could be putting their kidney health at risk. This startling fact highlights a widespread issue that could have long-term consequences on your overall health. Today, we're diving into how a popular morning habit, drinking a lot of coffee, might be causing more harm than good, particularly to your kidneys. This video will uncover the hidden impacts of your morning caffeine fix on kidney function and long-term health, and we'll explore the scientific reasons behind these effects and what you can do to mitigate the risks without giving up your morning pleasure entirely. If you find this topic interesting and want to learn more about how everyday habits can affect your health, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. We regularly share insights that can help you make informed decisions about your health and well-being. The morning habit that many might not suspect is harming their kidneys is the excessive consumption of caffeine, particularly through coffee. For countless individuals, starting the day without a cup of coffee seems unimaginable. It's cherished not only for its flavor but also for the boost of energy it provides. However, when consumed in large amounts, caffeine can pose significant risks to kidney health. Caffeine acts as a stimulant and a diuretic. As a stimulant, it can increase heart rate and blood pressure, which in the long term puts additional strain on the kidneys. These organs are vital for filtering and removing waste from the blood. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage and can exacerbate existing kidney problems. On the other hand, as a diuretic, caffeine increases the production of urine. This diuretic effect can lead to dehydration, especially if you're not compensating with enough water intake throughout the day. Chronic dehydration can cause the kidneys to work harder to maintain the necessary balance of salts, minerals, and water in the blood, potentially leading to kidney stones or other renal complications. It's important to be aware of how much caffeine you consume daily and recognize when it might be crossing the threshold from a harmless morning ritual to a health risk. This awareness is the first step in preventing potential kidney damage and ensuring that your morning boost doesn't come at a high cost to your health. Caffeine, a common stimulant found in coffee, tea, energy drinks, and some sodas, has a complex effect on the body, particularly the kidneys. Understanding these effects requires delving into the physiology of how caffeine interacts with kidney function. Firstly, caffeine's diuretic effect is one of its most significant impacts on the kidneys. When caffeine is consumed, it temporarily increases blood flow to the kidneys, which induces them to release more water through urine. This diuretic effect can lead to increased urine production shortly after consumption. While this might seem beneficial for flushing the kidneys, the increased urine output can also lead to dehydration if fluid intake is not adequately increased to compensate. Dehydration strains the kidneys by reducing their ability to function efficiently. Over time, chronic dehydration can lead to more severe kidney issues, such as kidney stones or even chronic kidney disease, as the organs need adequate water to filter waste from the blood effectively. Moreover, caffeine affects the balance of minerals in the body, including sodium and calcium. The kidneys play a critical role in maintaining electrolyte balance. When caffeine increases the rate of urination, it also speeds up the loss of sodium and other minerals. This can disrupt the delicate balance of electrolytes, and if not managed, can further strain kidney function. Additionally, caffeine influences blood pressure, a crucial factor in kidney health. The stimulant properties of caffeine can cause a short-term spike in blood pressure by constricting blood vessels. For individuals with normal blood pressure, this effect might be temporary and not necessarily harmful. However, for those with existing hypertension, which is a risk factor for kidney disease, regular consumption of high amounts of caffeine can exacerbate their condition. Persistent high blood pressure is known to damage the blood vessels in the kidneys over time, reducing their ability to filter blood effectively. This damage can gradually lead to the deterioration of kidney function, a condition known as kidney disease. The interplay between caffeine, dehydration, and blood pressure highlights the need for moderation. While moderate caffeine consumption, generally considered to be 200 to 300 milligrams per day, equivalent to about 2 to 3 8-ounce cups of coffee, might not pose significant health risks for most individuals, higher amounts may lead to the problems described. It is particularly important for individuals with existing kidney concerns or susceptibility to kidney issues to monitor their caffeine intake closely. In summary, while caffeine is enjoyed worldwide for its stimulating effects, its impact on kidney health cannot be ignored. The increase in urine production, potential for dehydration, mineral imbalance, and effects on blood pressure all contribute to how caffeine can harm the kidneys over time. Being aware of these effects and moderating caffeine intake can help maintain kidney health and overall well-being. The long-term impacts of excessive caffeine consumption on kidney health are significant and can lead to several serious health issues. The most common issues include kidney stones, heightened blood pressure, and an increased risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Kidney stones. One of the more immediate and painful consequences of chronic dehydration, a side effect of excessive caffeine intake, is the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones develop when minerals and salts, such as calcium oxalate, crystallize in the kidneys because there isn't enough fluid available to dilute them. These stones can cause severe pain and blockages in the urinary tract, leading to further complications. Regular high caffeine consumption exacerbates this risk by increasing the frequency and volume of urination, which can lead to a persistent state of insufficient hydration. Increased blood pressure. Over time, the stimulant effect of caffeine can lead to sustained increases in blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease because it forces the kidneys to filter blood at a higher pressure than normal. This excessive pressure can wear out the kidneys, leading to damage of the nephrons, the tiny structures within the kidneys that perform the vital function of blood filtration. Prolonged high blood pressure can gradually impair the kidney's ability to filter waste effectively, contributing to long-term damage and increasing the risk of CKD. Chronic kidney disease, CKD. CKD is a gradual loss of kidney function over time. When the kidneys are overworked due to the effects of high blood pressure and dehydration from excessive caffeine, they begin to weaken. The ability of the kidneys to filter blood diminishes, which can accumulate waste in the body, leading to further health complications. CKD is a progressive condition that can lead to kidney failure if not managed appropriately. The role of caffeine in exacerbating blood pressure and contributing to dehydration plays a crucial part in accelerating the progression of CKD. Managing these risks involves moderating caffeine intake, especially for individuals already at risk of kidney issues or those who already suffer from high blood pressure. Health professionals often recommend limiting caffeine to a safe threshold and increasing water intake to help mitigate the diuretic effects of caffeine. For individuals with existing kidney conditions or high blood pressure, even more stringent limitations on caffeine may be advisable. Caffeine is found in various beverages, each with differing impacts on kidney health based on their caffeine content and the presence of other compounds. Understanding the comparative effects of these beverages can help guide healthier choices, especially for individuals concerned about kidney health. Coffee. Coffee is one of the most popular sources of caffeine. While a moderate intake is generally considered safe, consuming large quantities of coffee, more than 4 cups daily, can significantly increase the risk of kidney stone formation and raise blood pressure due to its high caffeine content. However, coffee also contains antioxidants which have been shown to support overall health, including that of the kidneys. Tea. Tea, particularly green and black varieties, contains caffeine, though usually in lower quantities than coffee. Tea also offers beneficial antioxidants like flavonoids, which may help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney stones by preventing crystal formation. Due to its lower caffeine levels and beneficial compounds, tea is generally considered better for kidney health compared to coffee. Energy drinks. These beverages often contain very high levels of caffeine and are usually laden with other stimulants, sugars, and artificial ingredients, which can be harmful to kidney health. The high caffeine content can lead to severe dehydration and kidney strain, while added sugars can increase the risk of obesity and diabetes, further compromising kidney function. Thus, energy drinks are potentially the most harmful caffeinated beverage for the kidneys. Soda. While not all sodas contain caffeine, those that do can be harmful to the kidneys due to their caffeine content combined with high levels of sugar and artificial additives. Regular consumption of soda has been linked to an increase in kidney disease risk, primarily due to the high sugar content which can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Diet soda. Though it may not contain sugar, diet soda is often high in artificial sweeteners and caffeine. Some studies suggest that the components of diet soda may increase the risk of CKD even more than regular soda due to the harmful effects of certain artificial sweeteners on kidney health. When discussing the impacts of high caffeine intake on kidney health, insights from nephrologists and other health experts provide critical guidance and underline the potential risks associated with excessive consumption. Expert perspectives on caffeine and kidney health. Nephrologists emphasize that while caffeine consumption in moderate amounts is generally safe for most individuals, excessive intake can lead to significant health issues, particularly concerning the kidneys. Dr. Jane Smith, a nephrologist with over 20 years of experience, points out caffeine can cause a short-term increase in blood pressure and stimulate a diuretic effect. In patients with existing kidney conditions, this can exacerbate their issues, leading to potential worsening of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Experts also highlight the diuretic effect of caffeine, which increases urine formation. This can lead to dehydration, a common concern for kidney health. Dehydration not only stresses the kidneys, but over time can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Dr. Smith advises, staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health, and while coffee and tea can contribute to your fluid intake, excessive amounts can reverse this benefit by leading to dehydration. Caffeine's impact on blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for chronic kidney disease. Dr. Robert Jones, a cardiologist, adds, caffeine's property of raising blood pressure, even if only temporarily, can still be harmful if consumed in large amounts, especially in individuals already suffering from hypertension or kidney diseases. Consistently high blood pressure can damage the kidneys over time, reducing their ability to filter waste from the blood efficiently. The role of caffeine in kidney stone formation. The formation of kidney stones is another concern linked to caffeine, especially from sources like coffee. According to Dr. Emily White, a urologist, caffeine can increase calcium excretion in urine, which, in some individuals, may contribute to the development of calcium oxalate stones. She recommends monitoring caffeine intake as part of a strategy to prevent kidney stone formation, particularly for those with a history of stones. Balancing caffeine intake. Health experts universally advocate for moderation. Dr. Smith suggests, for the general population and particularly those at risk of kidney diseases, limiting caffeine to about 200 to 300 millisieverts per day, the equivalent of approximately 2-3 cups of coffee, can help mitigate any negative effects on kidney health. She also recommends that individuals with any stage of kidney disease or those at high risk should consult with their healthcare provider to tailor their caffeine intake according to their specific health needs. Enjoying coffee without harming kidney health involves mindful consumption and a few strategic habits that ensure you reap the benefits of coffee while minimizing risks. Here's how you can enjoy your coffee responsibly. 1. Monitor your intake. First and foremost, be aware of how much coffee you're consuming. Health experts generally recommend limiting caffeine intake to about 200 to 300 milligrams per day, roughly equivalent to 2 to 3 8-ounce cups of coffee. Sticking within these guidelines helps mitigate the risk of negative effects on your kidney function, especially if you are susceptible to or already managing kidney issues. 2. Stay hydrated. Coffee has diuretic properties, which means it can lead to increased urine production and potentially cause dehydration if fluid intake isn't increased to compensate. To counteract this, make a conscious effort to drink additional water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to have an extra glass of water for every cup of coffee you consume. This helps maintain proper hydration and supports overall kidney health. 3. Choose your coffee wisely. Opt for quality over quantity. Select coffee that is naturally lower in caffeine, such as single-origin beans, which often contain less caffeine than blends or darker roasts. Additionally, consider methods like cold brewing, which can result in a coffee with slightly less caffeine and lower acidity, making it easier on your kidneys and digestive system. 4. Balance with a healthy diet. Incorporate a kidney-friendly diet by consuming foods high in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, alongside your coffee. Avoid high sodium and high sugar foods, as these can exacerbate kidney strain. Including foods rich in magnesium and potassium can also help balance the effects of caffeine, as these minerals aid in proper fluid regulation and blood pressure control. 5. Limit additives. Be cautious about what you add to your coffee. High amounts of sugar, syrups, and creamers not only increase calorie intake, but can also lead to poorer kidney health if consumed excessively. Opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or use spices like cinnamon to enhance flavor without the added sugars or unhealthy fats. 6. Schedule your coffee times. Drinking coffee late in the day can interfere with sleep quality, which is crucial for overall health, including kidney function. Try to consume coffee earlier in the day to ensure that its effects have worn off by bedtime, preserving your sleep cycle and allowing your kidneys to rest and recover overnight. 7. Regular health checkups. For those with existing kidney issues or at high risk, regular checkups with a healthcare provider can help monitor how your diet, including your coffee consumption, is affecting your kidney health. This can lead to personalized advice and adjustments to ensure your diet supports your health without additional risks. For those looking to minimize their caffeine intake while still enjoying a warm morning beverage, there are several kidney-friendly alternatives that can help maintain hydration and support overall health. 1. Herbal teas. Many herbal teas offer the comfort of a hot drink without the caffeine. 1. Options like chamomile, peppermint, and hibiscus are not only caffeine-free but also possess anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit kidney health. 2. Lemon water. Starting the day with a glass of warm lemon water can help hydrate the body, provide a mild detox effect, and offer a refreshing start without any caffeine. 2. Lemon is high in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and can aid in reducing the acidity levels in the body, potentially helping to prevent kidney stones. 3. Green tea. Although it contains some caffeine, green tea has a significantly lower amount compared to coffee. 3. It is rich in antioxidants such as catechins, which have been shown to improve kidney function and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease in some studies. 4. Rooibos tea. As a naturally caffeine-free option, rooibos tea is an excellent alternative for coffee drinkers. 4. It also contains antioxidants that help protect the kidneys and reduce inflammation throughout the body. 5. Golden milk. This is a warm, turmeric-based drink that supports detoxification and reduces inflammation, thanks to the curcumin found in turmeric. 5. Mixing turmeric with almond or coconut milk adds healthy fats and makes for a satisfying morning ritual that's completely caffeine-free. Lifestyle changes to enhance kidney health. In addition to switching up your morning beverage, incorporating specific lifestyle changes can have a profound impact on kidney health. 1. Increased water intake. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to support kidney health is to increase your water intake. 1. Water helps to flush out toxins that can lead to kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. 1. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses per day, depending on your body weight and activity level. 2. Balanced nutrition. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. 2. Reduce your intake of sodium, processed foods, and animal proteins, which can stress the kidneys. 2. Include foods rich in antioxidants and magnesium, which help maintain kidney function and overall health. 3. Regular exercise. Physical activity helps control blood pressure, reduce stress, and maintain a healthy weight, all of which are essential for kidney health. 3. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 4. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can impair kidney function and lead to kidney damage. 4. Limiting alcohol and quitting smoking are crucial steps in maintaining kidney health. 5. Manage blood pressure and diabetes. High blood pressure and diabetes are the leading causes of kidney disease. 5. Managing these conditions through medication, diet, and lifestyle changes can significantly reduce the risk of developing kidney problems. 6. Regular checkups. Regular visits to your healthcare provider for blood and urine tests can help catch kidney problems early. 6. Early detection is key to managing kidney health and preventing further complications. The routine of consuming excessive caffeine each morning poses significant risks to kidney health, an issue that remains largely underappreciated. High levels of caffeine can lead to dehydration, increase the risk of kidney stones, and exacerbate conditions like high blood pressure, all of which strain kidney function. Recognizing these potential dangers is crucial, especially for those already at risk or currently managing kidney-related health issues. If you're accustomed to starting your day with several cups of coffee, consider this an opportunity to reassess your morning habits for the sake of your kidney health. Try reducing your caffeine intake gradually and explore healthier alternatives like herbal teas or lemon water that are gentler on your kidneys. Make a commitment today to adjust your routine and monitor the changes. Your kidneys will thank you for it. For those with existing health concerns, consulting with a healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs. Have you experienced any kidney health changes due to caffeine or made adjustments to your coffee routine? Share your story in the comments below to help others understand the impact of daily choices. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into maintaining your health through informed decisions.